Hello, boys and girls. I'm here to take over today. I'm Broom Hazel, and I'm here in my dungeon with all my friends. And I thought I would share with you today how to make witch's brew, magical witch's brew. So I've brought some of my ingredients out that I'm going to show you. I've got things like unicorn horn, crushed unicorn horn. I've got some freeze-dried bat brains, juiced eyeballs. Ooh, look at that. Somebody's blue eyes. I have right here some vampire toenails. Ooh, that smells so good and garlicky. I got some dried frog toes. Some good stuff in here. Ooh, look at this. Spider venom. Ooh, look at that stuff just go back and forth in there. Oh, I like this one. Monster snot. Look at that. Ooh, I'm spilling it. Ooh, messy. That's how I like to cook. Got some powdered bones. Look at the powdered bones in there. Oh. And I've got some crushed dragon teeth in here. I better not spill this. This one's can be deadly. Troll saliva. In other words, troll spit. So I'm going to share with you how to make some of my magical witch's brew. So I think I can handle this. I'm going to try to get it to where you can see my bowl. I usually use my black cauldron, but today, so that you can see how things are happening, I'm going to use a little glass bowl. Don't like that much, but I've got to do it so you can see. I've got my little stirring stick. So let's start a little bit here. Let's see. Let's start with a little bit of unicorn horn. Put a little dash in there. A few bat brains. Got my little pets here helping me out. Let's try some of this eyeball juice. I gotta get it out and squirt it. Watch me squirt it. Oh, this is so much fun. Vampire totem. Woo. Put a pinch of that in there. We need some powdered bones. Let's put some of that in there. We need a little bit of spider venom. I'm going to have to get my little squirter, squirt that in there too. So, ready? Here it goes. Did you hear that? This is so much fun. Oh, some of that monster snot. Spilled some on my fingers. Let me see if I can let you see. Look at that monster snot. Look at all that in there. That's what makes it so good. Look at that. I can't remember. Did we do powdered bones yet? It doesn't matter. If we might need a little bit more powdered bones. Look at that. Here's some of those frog toes. Look at the frog toes. It's all dried up. Look at that. You can see the little flippers in there. Now, this is one of my major ingredients in my witch's brew. It's crushed dragon teeth. I'm going to put quite a bit of that in there. Look at that. And then my other major ingredient I like to put in there is troll saliva, otherwise troll spit. So before I put this last one in, I like to stir it up a little bit. Get it all good mixed up. And then I add this last ingredient. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Woo! Look at that. Oh, I just love when that does that. Look at it. Woo. Let's put some more of this in there. Oh, yeah. Need some more crushed dragon teeth in there. Stir that stuff up. Ugh, magic. Oh, just smell it. You smell it? No? All right. Let's try it. You ready? Ooh, look at it rising. So that's my witch's brew. And sometimes I make special batch around Halloween. And what I need is some children toes. Have y'all got any that you could spare? Have a happy Halloween. And come back and visit me sometime with my friends in my dungeon. And my name's Broom Hazel.